Hey everybody, I'm Rochelle with the Beaded Jewel. Welcome back. Of course, you know what we're going to be reviewing today, Bargain Bead Box for October 2024. And I haven't done any videos in a while because I've been having issues with my eyes, like really bad issues. But it's starting to get better, so I'm back. And if you're new here, welcome. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to go ahead and open this. I haven't even looked at it yet, so let's see what we got here. Try to open this up and see what we have. I'll leave that here for a minute. Hearing great reviews about this month's box, so let's see what we got. Give you a little background about it here. Leafy Landscape is the collection for October. The earthy palette showcases the abstract beauty of Picasso jasper with its gorgeous linear patterns and autumn colors reminisce of a late fall horizon. Pumpkin leaf and pine cone motifs add to the autumn theme with sparkling crystal accents and a selection of findings in antique bronze. So this cozy color combination makes me want to curl up with a good book and sip some real tea. Okay, let's take a look here. It comes in this pretty fall green organza bag here, and I'm just gonna take these all out. I'm not gonna do them in any number sequence. I'm just gonna grab and go here. Okay, this is, I don't even know if I need to announce the number, but let's see. Oh, these are pretty. Pretty. Look at that. Take this camera back a little. Okay, let's see what these are. Wow, they're so pretty. This is a two-piece 22 by 17 leaf detail chandelier links. There you go. Got that upside down. These are just gorgeous. It's got 3 holes down the bottom there. You can hang some chain or beads on there. Okay. I'll leave one there and put one back in the bag. So it makes it easier for me. And let's see this one. Whoops. And this is 6x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads in light green with bronze iris. 15 inches. So this is great. Definitely matches these links really well. Very pretty and sparkly. Let's see what this is. Look at that. Ooh, get a hold of it. You get a lot of beads here. Let's see. 8mm rainbow Picasso jasper round beads, 15 inches. These are gorgeous. Wow, look at those colors in there. Just super gorgeous. All those different colors. Green, orange. See some white in there, some gray. My word, that's gorgeous. And here we go. Look at another one. This one. Oops. Uh, 10mm rainbow Picasso jasper round beads. So we have 8 here and 10 here. And here it looks like we have some pretty 5x5 mil crystal faceted English cut round beads in evergreen AB. Get 10 inches of this. Gorgeous. And these look cute. Let's see what these are. If I can get it open. How cute are these? I'm going to leave one in the bag. Oh my word. These are super cute. 10 piece, 13x7 mil pine cone charms. They really have some weight to them also. These are just adorable. So cute. Okay. And next we have got 20 items in this box this month. Well, number 20 is actually a bonus item, it says. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'll leave a couple in here. And these are pretty. They also have some weight to them also. 5 mil corrugated barrel spacer beads. Very nice. Gorgeous spacer beads. These are nice. These are bead caps. I'll just pull a couple out. They're 7 mil bumpy 6-petal bead caps. These are really pretty. They got some weight to them also. Look at that. These are really nice. Really great quality. And I'll put you over here. Okay, great box this month. Oh, these look nice. It's a strand of, get this, these are also heavy. So remember, if you use wire, you might want to use a heavier wire with this box this month, since it's really heavy. Hematite, of course. Corrugated pumpkin beads in bronze, 8x6 mil. These are so pretty. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. These are just gorgeous. Very, very rich looking. And, okay, I won't open these, but boy do I need these. So this is the mixed brass jump rings. There you go. Can never have enough of those. That's for sure. Okay, this looks pretty. Let's see. This is, there we go. The 4 mil crystal faceted bicone beads in blue green iris. 13 inches. Look at that sparkle. Alright. Let's keep going. Oh, lots of great stuff. Whoop. Look at that. That's a hunk of a bead strand. Rainbow Picasso Jasper rectangle nugget beads, 7.5 inches. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look at those colors in there. Ooh, just gorgeous. I'm telling you. And again, this is not a sponsored video. Purchase everything with my own money. And look at these 4 mil faceted agate dyed heated round beads. We got the orange and cream color here, which we need. There we go. Oh, this looks pretty. Let's see what this is. It's like Christmas, early Christmas. Oh, better not move the camera now. These are pretty. Look at those. 2-piece 35 by 20 mil leaf pendants. Gorgeous. There's the back. Look at that. Look at the detail on these. And just the way it lays there. Kind of, you know, looks like a real leaf. Just beautiful. Okay, we got some more. My word. We got the one in my hand, plus I have 5 more to go. This looks pretty. Let's see what these are. I'm not going to take them all out. 10-piece 5 by 9, 15 by 9 mil leaf links. More leaves. Let's see if we can't get a good look at this. Just gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? You got your holes up top and bottom. You can hang stuff from. I think these would look pretty with some chain. Nice pretty chain hanging from it or something. Wow. Okay. Well, this looks good. Let's take this out. This is 17 mil brass super hold magnetic oval clasp. Very nice. I'll play with that later. Alright, let's see. We got everything in this box. Some pretty 7 mil oval jewelry chain. And as you can tell, it is a heavier chain because we got heavy beads. Pretty. Okay. And we got some more. Okay, we got some, I'm not going to take these out. We got some earring wires here. And brass ear wires, 10 pieces. And let's see, down to 2 pieces left here. And here's the pumpkins. 4-piece 10 by 15 mil carved Malaysian jade pumpkin beads. These are super cute. Very cute. Okay. And the last one. Okay, here we go. Of course, you know what this is. This is it. 33 by 18 mil rainbow Picasso Jasper tab pendant. There you go. It's mine. So this is more of a bluish green color. It's very smooth. There you go. And that is the bargain bead box for October 2024. Gorgeous colors here. Gorgeous. It really truly is. Those. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get your box soon so you can make lots of goodies And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the video all the way through, because that helps out a lot. And give it a thumbs up. It's all free to do. It doesn't cost anything. And that is it. Don't forget to check out our website, thebeadedjewel.com. Of course, there'll be links, you know, all down below. And that's it, everybody. Have fun with your bargain bee box. This is gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right, I will see you in the next video, everybody. Bye bye.